What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Ben R. Today I'm going to the first day high. Let's get started. Subtitle. Oh my god. I volunteer. Oh.
Tama naman eh. Gising lang gising.
Oh my god. That's the worst feeling ever. Look how cute he was.
Yan, kuya pa pakatagal mo pa naman mag-ayos. Pabalik-balik pa siya sa salamin. Akala mo naman, may magbabago. Wow! Sino kaya ito nag-chat sa akin kagabi na? Sis, mamaya ka na matulog ha. Pabuksan mo ako ng date. Oh, hi! Ano yung bubuksan? Eto. Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Bulaklak para sa'yo. Yun, ma'am.
Ano? Labas ka
Oh my god. Oh my god. But I forgot her name.
Well, patayin mo nga muna yung
This is so
kalanta
right.
kay Inay Sinaing.
Oo, sige mo, wait lang.
Well, ano ba? Ang niluto ko baka masunog doon.
Wait nga lang.
Puro na lang wait! Ano na kung mawala ako dito? Ako na lang lagi kikilos? Ako na lang palagi? Always me! Yan!
She's so good to be like mom.
Oh, yan ka dyan. Nasaan yung Tupperware ko? Lahat na lang winawala mo. Ulang na lang pati ng panty mo mawala.
The way he impersonated her, it's
Diyan ka
so...
pala, ha? Isa ka pa. Isa ka pa. Aray mo talaga, aray mo talaga. Ang dami mong pinaplanta sa akin kanina. Ilan ba dito susunin mo?
Oh! Wednesday! Oh, this is getting more scary. What the oh my god, that's Harry Potter.
Ano naman
Harry
nangyari?
Potter na kami. Lord of the Rings, right? Period. That's not a part. It's her? No, right? But look, maybe because of the lens? I don't know. What's smell? Podcast. The scream I get. Oh my god, this is so funny.
Precious, naliligo na ako. Sabay tayo pasok pa. Bala ka dyan, malilig pa ako.
Ako malilit. Dito na ako. Sabay ka sa akin.
So gentle. This is our view. Thank you.
Ano? Tara!
I like your eyes, you make away with
Is this copyright? I don't know.
Be right around, make my mind brown.
Oh, it's giving me fuckboy vibes. She's just...
Hey, Calico girl. Hop on.
Oh my god.
hapon. Di ba umaga pa ngayon?
Mazda, right?
Akala ko, paano?
Hindi pwede mamiss ko yung first day mo.
Oh, that's not...
Tara, sabay ka na sa akin.
So we should... Who is he going to choose? I need to go to the hall. So,
Sana all na lang talaga precious. Shucks, ano oras lang? Kuya!
Para ko yung na para ba? Good morning, guys! Ito yun, sinante po.
belum.
Omar! Ang mahuli ba din? Ay, wag kuya, bakla ako!
That's another something.
Dito tayo! Manu, what's going on?
Sorry, ma'am.
Hello?
Hi, Miss Beautiful. See you later.
Oh my god. So it happens around the world. That the rich girl always a baby. Okay.
Parang harang kasi. Weirdo. Ilan na maayos mo na magtutulakan? ID mo. No ID, no entry, balik. Op. No pet allowed, di ba? Pet ka ba? Pasok. Boy, di ba nasa policy 2x3? Oh, tabasan mo ang buko mo para kasali ng
that's
benenben.
funny.
Kung matatanggal yan,
Are you fast?
susunod walang hikak.
That's funny as hell.
Okay, kakausapin natin ang mga estudyante yung maagang pumunta dito.
Wow, the budget was budget.
Ate, ano oras ang schedule mo?
Nine.
So, ano oras yung pumunta dito? Bakit ganun kaaga?
Six.
So, ano masasabi mo na mag-face-to-face classes na? Masaya ka ba?
She didn't want to be there.
Okay, masaya na parang nalulungkot si ate.
Excuse me, mag-start na ba yan?
Samantha! Ikaw na ba yan? You look so straight, ha? Ganda. Uy, wow.
Baka kumulot.
Magkano yan?
1499 lang.
Mura lang, ah.
Actually, kulang pa nga tong rebound ko eh. Kulot pa sa likod to. Yun lang makayanan ng class fund natin.
Goodness gracious! Ikaw yung
Oh.
nagpa-braces ka? Ay, bagay sa'yo, ah.
Napansin mo pala. Tinatago ko nga
She's so
to eh.
easy.
Nalala mo? 1499 na din to. 1499?
Playing the same price?
1499?
This is confusing.
Ako na.
Oh my god. There's a popular girl that it brings some nostalgia. Oh yes, Jesus. Goodness, your it's giving me character image. Oh my god.
Magandang umaga, students!
Wow! The budget is the budget.
Welcome sa unang araw ng academic year. And welcome to me,
Wow.
your new principal.
Okay.
Yes, you heard it right. Sa eskwelahan to, ako ang kauna-unahang pack girl na principal.
What is
Ang
pop
pack
girl?
na pack at girl na principal.
Oh, I thought it was girl. So, pop.
This year will test you in ways you do not expect.
Oh my god, I love this episode.
There will be pressure,
Oh,
setbacks, and moments
direct.
you will question yourself.
I can't with
To
the
our
reaction.
students, be curious. Be brave
Be brave.
and never be afraid to try. And to our teachers, continue to inspire, to guide and believe in every learner.
Exactly.
This year, let us build not just knowledge, but character, not just success, but purpose And together, let us make this school and this school year meaningful, memorable,
Oh,
and full of growth.
period. Period. She's
Would you like a more inspiring Gen Z version? A shorter one? Or a TikTok-friendly speech with a stronger emotional impact? Welcome back! Good luck and enjoy your schooling. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Gwen. Wish. She's exactly what she thinks she is.
First day of school, lagi ka ba? Sino ba
This looks like a job.
sa
I want to skip. I will not. I don't want to skip.
Excuse me, can you pave the way? Can you pave the way? Excuse me, can you pave the
Okay,
way?
what is that?
Okay. Saan yung section TV dito?
Yes.
Hindi na tayo magkaklase, bestie. Huwag mong kalimutan tumawag ka. Anong hinahanap na nila? Ako yung ako sa section. Ano naman kasi ginalingan mo sa bigay.
So drama.
Ba't ganun? Nagano naman ako.
Oh,
Ano ba pangalan mo, Toy? Bogart po. Apelido mo? Bogart din po. Uy, sige, napanta ka. Uy, ayun oh. Bogart B. Punta ka sa babae ako. Good morning po, ma'am. May tatanong lang po sana ako. Alam niyo po ba dito kung saan yung section ng San Pedro?
Ito yan, anak. Akit ka lang. Sa pinakatuktok, andun yung section San Pedro. Pagkatapos ng San Miguel at San Gabriel.
Maraming salamat po, ma'am.
such a soft,
Mary,
Salamat po, ma'am.
akit ka lang. Mag-ingat ka.
so
Ingat po.
soft.
Akitin mo lang, anak. Huwag kang susuko.
Soft, so soft, but kind of skin.
You'll have to eat deadlines, stereo gloves, canister, dry and wet gloves, and especially
Section Emerald pa rin po to, no?
Girl, biyasan to. Nasa tapat na building ng high school.
Sorry, nasa yung section pala ako.
Oh my god. That's why you look so
Akala ko
different
nursing to. Ba't may mukhang
than the
pasyente?
others.
Excuse me po.
Anong floor kaya dito yung section San Pedro?
Hindi ko din alam eh. Bago lang din ako dito.
O, dito na yun.
A friend? Why not AC?
Saan ako upo?
It's so bad.
Ano ako magpipickleball?
Burger ba?
Ate Mary siyang concert.
Oh my god. Why they keep
Ang ganda ng ribbon mo ah.
foiling her? I'm feeling so bad. They didn't even look at her.
Yung favorite tatlo. At saka alam ko yung favorite ko dyan, ilong empanada. Alam nyo hindi. Siyempre, hindi naman talaga kayo fan. Eme-eme kayo.
One whole sheet of paper? Check. One fortune favor, check. One at Landwise, check. And finally, my sharpener.
She's a lot of
Pwede naman
definition
ako.
of she's a girl.
Thank you. Gusto niyo? Sure, sure.
It's hydrogen. It's hydrogen.
Oh,
Ingay naman ang kabilang klase. Okay, you. Introduce yourself.
what kind of makeup?
Fairness. Hi, everybody. My name is Bernardo Nicolo Salda.
Louder! I'm Bernardo Nicolo Sabroso. But you can call me
Bernice! Hello, guys. I am Betty Maxine, or you can call me Betty Max for short. Hi, guys.
It's
I'm
like
Vanessa.
kind of novela.
Huwag na kayong tumawa.
Baby, let's just turn on the lights.
Listen, baby, I know it's a bad girl.
Dear friends, welcome to MS Masina 3 Days Sale.
Don't forget to
Wala kasi akong makeup eh. I prefer
Beauty
natural
guys.
look lang kasi.
hit the note.
Ang galing mo talaga na. Manang-mana ka talaga kay mama. Oy, mamaya ipopost ko to sa social media.
Wait lang! May iPhone nga ako sa bahay. Hindi lang pinapadala ni mama dito. Okay, thank you. You may now take your seat.
Oh,
Okay lang po.
so
Sure.
it's also international.
Ang favorite hobby ko
happens
is
also
playing
in
mobile
Philippines.
games with boys. Kasi,
I have a
if you
friend
know, less drama.
Alam nyo guys,
Hi.
gusto ko rin naman maging gwapo kahit isang araw. Kasi pag araw-araw nakakapagod yun. Shucks naman, di ba? Oh, come
So
on.
let's love to enjoy this school year. And let's live our life to the forest.
Ano? Monkey?
Oh my God.
Siguro kilala niyo naman na ako. I am Jessa Di Maculangan, your trustworthy and responsible leader. At your service this academic school year. Thank you. You may now take your seat. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, class.
Every
Kilala niyo yung isa't isa. Get one of sheet of paper
that
and prepare for
I was
diagnostic test.
student.
I'll give you 10 seconds. Kayo? Sige, sige, no problem. Sige, pero isa-isa.
And no one left for her.
Next time, bumili kayo, ha? Guys, taka lang, isa-isa lang, guys. Wait, akin yan. Number 1. What is literature? What is literature? Define mythology. Define mythology. Teka lang po, wait lang, ma'am. Aphrodite is the goddess of... wait lang.
Love.
Who's that? What's that? Oh my God. Okay.
Aphrodite is the goddess of love.
Makabiyan ba kayo? Hindi po. What's your paper, ha? Number 4.
Oh my God.
New school year, new sets of friends.
Okay.
Saan kaya ako? There.
Oh my God, that's giving Ariana Grande. It's the three. Oh, little girls. Right, my girls. Why are you so obsessed?
Yeah, we grinding while you sleep.
Oh my God.
Not the coldest eyes, but we only bring the heat.
This is Kaysan. You don't belong here. Hindi ka first come, first serve dito. Hindi na pa naka-reserve eh. Maybe you should go find your own seat. Easier that way. Gosh, you should know that already. Anyway, you ready? Bye! Hello to everyone!
That's so rude.
Hindi naman kasi dapat ganyan. Dapat kasi substitution yung ginawa mo.
Okay din naman yung
Okay
elimination
din.
process eh. Mas madali kaya yun.
Ganyan ginawa natin method kanina. Pinahabang mo pa.
Excuse me, hindi ko pinapahaba. No, inaayos ko lang.
Oo. Hindi na, solve na.
Diba? Kasi nga, may sistema. So, it's not enough that you know something is working. Dapat alam mo rin kung paano siya ginagawa. Kasi kung di mo alam, magkakamali ka na ulit.
Fine. O, ito na lang. 2x plus 3 equals 11. Ano sagot?
Hydrogen?
Yeah.
Hindi lang puro lakas to. It's all about reading the play. Iwala lang.
Sorry.
And timing.
Sorry.
Tama naman yung timing ko ah. Lang na lang yung bola.
Let's go, Tim. Oh, wait. Parang kulang tayong isa. Kulang isa.
Oo, dali natin to.
Tara, pasok ka.
Jackstone lang alam ko eh.
Next
Pwede
year.
na. Pwede next year, oh. Pwede.
Ate, actually, on Wednesdays,
We should also wear pink. On
Oh my
Wednesday,
God.
we wear pride. Alam mo, dapat nga everyday eh. Because hindi lang naman siya about fashion eh. It's a protest.
The alphabet community.
Pride symbolizes
Pero-
our fight for equality.
Sorry, dear. You can't sit with us.
Oh, ikaw ba kala?
actually, she can. Kasi dito, lahat welcome. Hindi ikaw, huwag mong isipin na hindi ka belong. Dahil may space para sa'yo.
Happy
Thanks.
Pride?
Happy Pride! Oh, Oh, yun yun, baby girl.
Men! Sakaling!
Binasbasan ko lang ng oras mga i-abab doon.
Okay.
Tape lang, tape lang, tape. Malamig kita. Yo, madali ka malaki. Madali ko yan. Walang 20. Ito. Pwede na pula.
Bogart, ano ka matid?
Bugard! Tul, mamaya na tul. Ilong eh.
Bogart.
Sino lalapit? Ako o ikaw?
This is so embarrassing.
Umuwi ka na. Tignan mo itong tawid na pinapadala ko sa'yo. Hindi mo pala ginagamit. Yung mga barkada mo na yan, mga hitsura yan, halatang bad influence. Siguro inaaya ka ng mga yan magdating classes mo. Kaya kayo nagkakasakit eh. Kaya yung tawid na pinapadala ko sa'yo, hindi ninyo ginagamit.
Ito na nakasnapit ko yun.
Snappy!
Wala! Kamusta kayo? Ngayon pala tayo.
Kayo ba, no? Teacher siya man. Sir Ramos? Ramos? Mabait tayo siya.
Kumataas sa pagbigay ng grade.
Silang kayo, class. Ano ba, alam kong star section na kayo. Hindi ko na kayo papahirapan. I will give you as much leeway as possible.
Oh, this is...
Maswerte kayo naman. Sorry.
Hindi ako nagpay ng subject na ito. Ipuputyo-putyo nyo na ako. Diyos mo. Simpleng programming ng JavaScript, hindi nyo magawa. Grade 1, kayang-kaya yan gawin. Tapos yung performance task nyo. Iba na patalim ako sa inyo ng mangga? Sa loob ng hindi nyo kayang pabungahin?
May ganyan sa kantin? Siya naman yan. Ito, kay Ma'am Ding. Ma'am Ding?
What is mom did?
Nagbabenta siya?
Oh, ma'am.
And during breaks, ina-expect
Oh, it's
ko
her.
na babalik kayo agad on time. Actually, huwag na kayo lumabas. Ang haba ng pila sa kantin. Sayang naman yung oras na natututo kayo at nakikipag-banding at tumatambay sa mga
Just
classmates
say,
ninyo.
I'm selling some...
Dito na kayo pumili. Kasi lahat naman ang meron sila. Meron din ako. Alam niyo, yung napapila, ganyan. Mas manyan para sa inyo. Meron akong snacks.
Is it allowed?
Meron akong drinks. Meron akong eto, bagong-bagong lutong. Turon. Ito na nga, meron din, no? Ilocos empanada. At, kung bibili kayo ng isang box ng Dubai, Chewy, cookie, wala na tayong cookie! Ito sa'yo.
That's a good strategy. Okay.
Lottie, ma'am, bumalik ka dito. Wala kang cash, narinig ko.
Wala po akong cash, ma'am. Sorry po.
Walang problema, meron tayong QR. Pwede mo i-scan to.
Ma'am, naka-maintenance po yung bank ko.
Okay lang, meron tayong BPO. Meron tayong Mia. Meron tayong Gcash. Mamili ka.
Chica.
Wala pa akong data, ma'am eh.
Meron akong PisoNet. Paki-hotspot ka, piece per minute. Dali. Para ka na. Scan mo na to. Ano bibili mo?
Sige po. Ilocos Empanada.
Ilocos Empanada. Okay, scan mo niya.
Gusto mo? Oh, ikaw kami, ba't palis na pawis ka? First subject namin, PE agad eh.
Agad?
Uy, ang galing mo. Napapagsiwawa.
What is
Malak
PE?
mo sa'yo. At dahil dyan, meron kang 3 shot na bitin. Okay, class? Bigyan natin siya ng 5 titik with filling.
Okay.
Okay, come on. Ano ba yan? Pag hindi kayo nag-amusal. Okay, ganito dapat.
Hey, feel it.
Sige pa.
I feel it.
Say more. Okay, BT energetic. Isa pa. Okay. Giling. Respect. Sorry, hindi ko nabitawan yung beat.
He can let go of the bit. Okay.
Bakla, okay ka lang. Ano nangyari?
Hindi pa rin pala talaga ako nakamove.
Kawawa ka naman.
So,
So basically what I'm trying to say is, may you let go
Mr. D,
of the things
call him.
that no longer serve you. Ilabas niyo yung notebook niyo. Ulit niyo itong sasabihin ko.
Notes?
Okay. Our lesson for today is Yearning 101. Huwag na kayong mag-effort, huwag niyo nang habaan yung reply niyo sa kanya. At kung may gusto kayong sabihin, repost. Ganun na lang. Remember that you are the main character of your life. Diba, romanticize life. Date yourself, treat yourself. Pumunta kayo sa aesthetic na cafe, tapos mag-picture kayo. Pag-post kayo, lagay niyo doon sa caption, hashtag, unbothered.
Unbothered ba yun, sir? Hindi po ba parang kabalistaran?
No! Your worth. Protect your peace. Soft block. Hindi ko kaya. Ikaw na mag-vlog. Ikaw na mag-vlog. Hindi ko kaya. At kapag tumawag siya sa inyo, wag na wag yung sasagutin. Ay, hello. Sorry, nasa class lang ako, pero promise na.
Galing, sinagot.
Okay, see you later. And finally,
Sir, kanina pa yung finally mo, hindi ko na kaya.
lahat ng may simula,
Oh, okay.
may wakas.
So, sir, sino pinaka-favorite niyo?
Agad-agad?
Malay mo, di ba?
Yung tahimik.
The sound
Wala
effect.
All right, class. What to expect on the first day? Class, first day natin. Expected kong magulo,
Oh,
maingay,
okay.
at may makikilala kayo na magpapabago sa buhay niyo.
Ay, may pa-love life si sir.
Who is that? So handsome. Like I've seen that face before. Of the top. Ran away for a while. I see famous place in the every time I see your ugly face, I get a feeling that it can't be placed. You start to my toes, and I crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, no wasting. Making me smile, please stay for a while now. Just take your time. First day mo na.
Ano na bang first day ko?
Joe. Hi, I'm Belinda.
I'm Donato.
Love at first sight.
Stay there.
Do it.
Ay! Sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. Diba kami yung first day na to?
This is so sweet. He's in love.
Ini-expect ko, hindi kayo mahihiyang magtanong sa akin.
Sir,
Sir, kahit nonsense.
Why?
Yes! Kahit.
Starts in my toes.
Ano tinuturo mo?
Science to ma'am.
Wow! Alam mo, amazing ako sa concept ng gravity.
Hindi mo na ibabalik yan.
Akin na to.
Gano'n.
Akin na to.
May natural pull talaga ang ibang tao.
Oh, it's getting closer. Oh,
Ma,
Gawa ko.
oh,
Ako talaga?
10 plus 1.
Di ba kayo alis?
The makeup,
Magsasara na kami.
the eyebrows. Eyebrow? I don't know.
Sorry po.
be considered.
May offer ako sa ibang school.
Oh. So this is how the story ends. Oh my god, that's so sad.
Halika rito. Sunggal ka ng isang minuto.
Oh,
Sabay tayo.
I'm sorry.
why is it accepted there?
I'm happy for you. Class, it's okay to take risks. Kahit hindi magtatagal,
Oh, wow,
at
that's
least you
okay.
try.
Sir, okay ka lang po?
Sir, parang trauma dump na yan ah.
Uy, grabe kayo kayo, sir.
Oh my god, no. Why is that? That's
Bella, Bella. Bella, Bella, tara na.
Bel!
Bella na bakla. Tara na, atake na tayo, te.
Hi, sir! Sir Bella, ingat ka!
Sorry, class dismissed already. I will not entertain any more
Hindi naman
things.
po ako late.
She's
Magbabalik lang ng stater, sir.
why though? I'm so confused.
Wait ka pa rin.
Better late than never.
Oh. Yes. Period, girl. Thank you.
Ingatan ko yan.
I took
Salamat, pinalik mo. Bumalik ka.
Oh my god. I got goosebumps.
Depende.
Ingatan ko.
Oh. Okay. Oh, my god. I'm too soft for this.
Condolence. Anyways, buti pa kayo mga te, bago yung mga teacher nyo. Sa amin kasi,
Salazar?
Si Miss Castro pa rin.
Thursday, late na agad. Pumasok kayo para makita ko yung pagmumukha nyo.
Pray mo.
Tandaan ko kayo Makinig kayo. House rules. Una, ayoko sa mga late. Pangalawa, deadline is deadline. Pangatlo, pinakaayaw ko. Bawal mag-cellphone. Pangapat, di ba kakasabi ko lang?
Ma'am,
Hindi na ako. Naka-BNB ako. Sino yan?
It's her.
ma'am? Ma'am? Sorry.
Oh.
Ma'am? Sorry. Hingi lang sana ako ng chok.
Chow? Sure.
No, it's...
How many do you need ba?
Isa lang po.
Basta ba?
The fact that
Actually,
she...
isang box na lang. Oh, sure? Yeah, huwag ka mag-alala, marami akong ganyan sa faculty.
Thank you. Ako nga pala si Sir D, bagong teacher sa junior department.
Bago ka rin? Same. Miss Erich. Erich Santos? Erika. Eric Castro.
Sounds familiar.
Yes, ano ba? Alam niyo naman kayo akong naninita, di ba?
Girl.
Sabihin na naman ni Sir D na nagsusungit ako sa inyo. Anyway, Sir D. Sir D? Sir D? D? Nagpaalam.
Dito naman tayo. Pangapat, ayoko sa mga naghihiraman ng ballpen at walang panula.
Oh my God.
Sino may chalk?
San Pedro?
Pangalan.
That's so fun.
Gusto niyo? Alaga? Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. Saan po kayo dito yung section 7? Naku, ang daming tao sa kantin. Ang haba ng pila. Dito ka na sa akin bumili. May pagunta ako. Isa na lang to. Sa'yo na. Magkano po? 50. Sakto. Thank you. Salamat po. Ano yung tinatanong mo? Yung section San Pedro, ma'am. San Pedro? Hindi ko alam. Hanapin mo na lang, ha? Thank you po. Hello. What are your expectations in this subject?
Come on, hair.
You. Science is more than just a subject. For me, ma'am, it is the way of life. I am expecting that this will enhance my critical thinking, my analytical skills, and also my holistic understanding of the world and beyond. Okay? Thank you, Miss Jessa. Now, you.
Cell structure, mitosis, genetics. I-review ko na po yung syllabus, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, so the...
We're so done.
So that... Girl.
Ayun. Hindi ka narinig eh.
I thought they were going to be longer.
Okay, class. As early as this, magpapagrupo na ako sa inyo ng mga kasama niyo buong school year. Group yourselves into 5 para sa research. Sorry guys, mga top students lang kasi sinasali namin sa grupo. Pero I might reconsider you kapag...
Lima na tayo, boss, ha? Lima na tayo, boss. Boss, lima na to, lima na to.
Sorry guys. Di man na kasi kami.
Buti ka pa, boss. Di ka maarte sa kagrupo. Itulad ng isa dyan.
The shade.
Nice. Nicey!
Lo, upansin.
Grabe, ang overrated naman yun. Wala pa kang teacher eh.
Yeah.
Nicey Bernice.
Eh, where's the democracy?
Eh?
Eh? Bakit ako?
Ha? Hindi naman ako.
Nakalista ba siya?
Bakit, Lou?
Vanessa?
What?
Nani? Ikaw?
Whatever, Jojo.
Even him?
Hey, I'm so disappointed. Nicey! Nicey!
God.
Hindi naman intentional ang pag-ubo. Involuntary reflex siya. Sa madaling salita, hindi sinasadya.
He still produce sound. Nicey ka rin.
Physiological response nga kasi ng katawan.
But, it's still disruptive.
Paparusahan mo ang tao dahil sa kanyang natural reflex.
Rules don't adjust for excuses.
Hindi naman siya excuse. It's science. Excuse? It's science?
Rules are rules. Period.
Normal lang naman yan. Automatic reflex para malinisan yung airway, so hindi mo talaga mapipigilan. At kung may rules, dapat nabase na sa science. At sana mas priority pa rin yung welfare ng classmates natin. Diba?
Amen. Amen.
Girl! Check ka na sa drama club! Nag-accept kami ngayon ng actors.
Hala, mukha ba akong artista? Thank you pero sorry, pas muna ako. Study first eh.
Ah, ganun ba? Sige, thank you.
Sayang, need pa naman sana namin ng gaganap na duwende.
Tabi-tabi po. Excuse me. Ay,
Ganda. Hi, you seem interested. You also look smart, ha?
I know, right?
Gusto mo sumali na science club? You should join. May robotics competition kami next month.
Ay, bet ko yan. Robot-robot.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair. Ay, puno na pala yung members namin. Sorry.
Feeling naman ito. Akala mo naman talaga gusto sumali.
Sorry guys. Close na ang sign up para sa arts club. Wala na kami available slot.
So, hindi na ako umabot. Di man lang ako nabigyan ng chance. Wala na ba talagang may gusto sa akin dyan?
Katang kilos mo ay sadyang iba.
Who is this handsome boy? Copyright. Oh, she's feeling it.
Kahit sabihin na mali ako, ilipin mo na bihay mo'y ako.
Iiyo na rin ako!
Sorry miss, may sinasabi ka?
Yung auditions for music club, ask ko lang po sana kung dito po ba? Music club.
Member ako dito.
Actually, magsa-sign up din ako for membership dito sa music club eh. Sakto. I need to music din kasi. No way! God-fearing rin ako. Family-oriented. Tapos yung family ko, mahilig mag-travel sa Palawan. Nowhere, no place to go. So, we decided to travel where we live. That is my path.
B, marabay.
Okay, chill. So,
For
kumakanta ka ulit?
stage. Come on.
Malapit na pinatalo sa
God.
Sea of clouds.
Hindi session din kayo dito.
Before we dismiss, tomorrow pala class will be conducting our election of officers. Be ready sa mga gustong tumakbo dyan, especially for the class president.
What makes a good leader? Consistency. And that is me, your president since grade 3.
She will continue her legacy.
Sustainability. Legacy? Sustainability? Word!
Basta pa!
Over consistency?
Kung maayos ang resulta.
Results. Incumbent Vice President of the Supreme Student Government, Editor-in-Chief for the school paper for 2 consecutive years, National Qualifier for Chamber Storytelling Contest of Young Adult Novels 2024. I ended up in second place.
Second place.
National level.
First place.
Same competition?
Same.
So why is he going to get innocent?
Okay.
SK chairman ako ng barangay namin. I also got nominated sa Gawad Tanglaw ng Pamumuno last year.
Nominated.
Achievement pa rin.
Yes.
Former winner.
Sim Award.
She's a winner.
Dinala niya yun?
Ikaw?
Why should we choose you?
I've done the work, ma'am.
Alam ko kung ano bang kailangan gawin.
Well, experience matters.
Agree. Pero natututunan naman yan. Ang pagkatao, hindi.
But I deliver results.
Maliit na ang direksyon ko.
Proven.
Malago.
Reliable.
Adaptive.
I don't miss.
I don't. Repeat.
Magandang laban to. Okay, class dismissed. Bukas pa yung election, ha? You may now go.
Good luck.
Save it for yourself.
You can feel the tension.
Dati naman wala akong kago sa section natin ha.
Sino ba kasi yan?
Justin guy.
Ay,
He dared to challenge me sa class presidency. As if yun naman nanalo siya. Tapos, saka, kanina sa math, naunahan niya lang naman ako kasi shortcut yung ginamit ng solution, ha? Taga, saan na nga tayo? Sorry. Taga, nakikinig ka pa ba? Oo naman. Sagutin mo na yan.
I can't with the sound.
Okay,
The ringtone.
alam mo, baka lalo pang lumakas yung wala.
No.
Kaya mo yan. Naniniwala ko sa'yo. Oh! And one last thing. Naki-charm ko yan. Baka bumana sa'yo. Good luck! Ano namang gagawin ko dito? Si Precious talaga.
Oh my god. Come on like this. They just forget that they are enemies for a second. Not enemies, but frenemies. The song choice.
Okay ka lang?
Okay. Okay. Sa tingin mo okay lang ako? Hello? Muntik na nga masagasaan yung tao dito. May mga pangarap pa ako sa buhay. Hindi ako makagraduate, hindi ako makabalik to.
Way ka pa.
Excuse me?
Sayang naman kasi kung di maabot mga pangarap mo.
Alam mo, kanina ka pa. Ano bang ginagawa mo dito?
Hinihintay ka.
Hinihintay.
She's so busy.
Tumabi. Paharang-harang ka kasi.
Wow! Muntik na mapasagasaan yung tao. Muntik na ako mamatay. Tapos yan pa yung iniisip mo.
Sigla mo naman.
What? Ano ko sa'yo?
Kanina pa ako busina ng busina. Tumingin ka kasi.
Tumitingin. Tumitingin ako.
Hindi halata.
Ang yabang mo.
Ang harang mo.
You know what? Just leave.
By the way, I just want to say congratulations.
For what?
Ah! Gats! Suko ka na? Sabi ko naman sa'yo, mahirap ang kalaban eh. Pero, gets kita. Being a president is really hard. But, I'm really happy that you realized it this early,
Explaining,
ha?
guys.
Kaya naman pala ganun ka slow eh.
Congratulations. Ikaw kasing napili ko eh.
Sorry na pilisan.
Choosing for what?
Jessa, isipin mo na lang kung ano mga pwede natin gawin kung magkasama tayong dalawa. As a team. Since nandito naman din tayo, gusto ko sana mag-propose sa'yo.
Propose? Like,
Handa ka na ba maging vice president ko?
vice president.
In your dreams.
In the original. This girl has an attitude, and I'm here for it. That's it. Oh my god. Oh my god, we need a longer version. Just kidding. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this new video. It's so entertaining. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Wow. The effort, the budget. Like so many famous people in this video, guys. Wow. 10 out of 10. This is my reaction. Can't wait for the next episode. Bye-bye. Wait a minute, is there any, like... Oh, see? Almost. He's still... Okay, this is so funny. Jesus!
San Pedro? Iho.
Oh my God!
Kuya, saan po kayo dito yung section San Pedro? San Pedro? Doon yun, sa first floor. Sa makabilang building ka. Mamit ka na lang ng elevator pababa.
Oh my God. I'm out of breath watching this episode. Yes! Oh, this video made my day, made my week, made my year. Thank you, thank you. Oh my God, can't wait for the next episode, please. This is the Nomaya Rasha. Bye-bye.